What's up, guys? Midwest Tour Review here, back again. I'm gonna do a quick video and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove some what do they call it? I forgot what they call it, but anyway, I'll show you when people put rivets. There you go, how to remove rivets off of a truck frame or a car frame if you're going to salvage parts like I'm doing for my 58 GMC build. So got my old frame here, as you guys can see, and granted there's a highway back there, so it may be noisy at times, but I want to use these mounts here. And so you can see I already cut one, but you're going to basically put an X pattern in the rivet. I just used my Milwaukee with the Benchmark abrasive disc, which works really well, and we'll do it on that one there. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how you get them off. So all you got to do is do an X pattern on them, and you're going to use a nice hardened steel chisel. I got a snap-on one here. You can use whatever you want. I'm trying to adjust my camera here so you guys can see it better. You can use whatever brand you want, but in something like this, I would probably advise you to use something of quality. So let's go ahead and do this. And keep your hands free too, so you don't smash your hands. I just kind of work my way around the rivet. And you'll see it start chipping up. And there it is, it's off. In some cases, you may have to get another punch and knock it through, but not in this case. So that's just using your existing hardware. I mean, this hardware is 65 years old. It's still in great shape. I mean, what is that? 1/4 inch or greater, 3/8 of an inch, I don't know, thick. Why would I buy something new when I can resalvage what I've got? And if you're doing a truck like I'm doing, a patina truck, it's nice to save as much money as you can by reusing or recycling whatever you can. So we're gonna do this one here together, and I'll kind of show you guys. Hey, I'm filming right now. You gotta wait, buddy. You gotta wait. Go on. Let's see here. Let me come at this angle. The boys are out exploring, so let's see here. Maybe that'll be good enough. Give me a second, Lucas. I'm trying to show these guys how to salvage some hardware. Cutting discs from Benchmark abrasives makes short work of this kind of stuff, so they cut really effectively. It's okay, he's fine. Just keep an eye on him. It works so good, you have to be careful that you don't cut too deep. Good enough. Let me show you guys what it looks like again. You see the X pattern I cut, and it's only metal. If I cut a little bit too deep, I'm going to end up welding it all the way around the perimeter of the flange anyway, so it won't matter. But if I cut it too deep, I can just simply fill it in with some weld. Nice little small sledgehammer and a good chisel. Okay, got that one off. That one. That off. Boom. So there you go. Another piece saved. I mean, that works great. And so that's just a quick little tutorial, I guess, if you want to call it that. And on these old frames, there's a lot of good hardware, especially if you're trying to figure out what you want to use. Like if you have a S10 frame like I do, you may say, well, I want these old cat mounts, right? You may not, but if I can go out and buy new cat mounts, or I can just use these. I mean, this is American steel. It's just got surface rust. It's no rot. You can see how they originally did the cat mount. This is the rubber, and this is the lower piece here. I can simply put an X pattern here, 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 and here, and all of a sudden now I've got a cat mount. Do the same thing on the other side, and Bob's your uncle. So, and the same thing can be done for the bed mounts as well. Although this kind of sits a little unique, so I probably wouldn't do that for that. But really simple and very effective. So even a cross member, if I decided I wanted to use this cross member, I mean, why would I go out and buy a new cross member when I can salvage what I've got? So it's just kind of showing you guys some ways to save some money. Those rivets are not very difficult to cut out. It's not hard at all. You guys saw me do it in like what, 5 minutes, take it out. So just kind of give you guys some tips. So hope you liked the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.